How is it still so hot in here?
Where's that darn leak? Come on, come on.
Oh, that leak has got to be around here somewhere.
I know, right? What are you doing here?
I was, feeling like a nighttime swim. What are you doing here?
Nighttime swim, as well. You came down here to fix the leak!
Yeah, well, so did you!
I knew it! You just couldn't wait to move out!
And you just couldn't wait to get rid of me! If you wanted me gone, you should have just said so.
Anne!
Something's got my leg!
Hang on, I'm coming!
Sprig!
River lampreys! What are we gonna do?
They're too fast. We can't fight them underwater. Huh. Hey, Sprig, you set him up?
You knock them down!
Come on. Backhand! Had enough, river losers?
There's more where that came from!
What the heck's going on down here?
Some of us are trying to sleep!
Hi, Hop Hop.
So, roommate thing didn't work out, huh?
Not really.
I just couldn't live with him. The wet towels, the heat, the humidity, the web crusties.
The loud snacking, the freezing cold, lights on at all hours. Guess Fran really is a bust.
Yeah.
Why? Because you're finally talking? Sharing a room doesn't make you friends. Being honest with each other does. In fact, if you ask me, you're better friends now than you were before.
Of course we are!
Yes, Spran is back and better than before.
Oh, how sweet. So where's Anne gonna sleep then? Not with me. My bucket's for one.
Here you go. Some super loud snacks you can munch on.
Oh, thanks, Sprig.
No problem. Anything else I can get you?
All good. See you in the AM.
Okay, good night. So, Anne, would you rather smell like rotten eggs or have hiccups every day for the rest of your life?
Oh, good one. I think I'd... Didn't anyone fix the leak?